like to ask you to please stand up for our opening prayer. I'd like to ask by Jeff and Joanna. Jeff and Joanna. Ay, eto.
We would like to thank you for giving us this very special day, birthday celebration. We also ask for your guidance for para maging successful po yung party. And each and every one of us mag-enjoy the channel. And also, we ask you, dear God, na sana po patuloy po gabayan yung paglaki ni Henry at lagi po maging healthy.